What's up, YouTube? Looks like somehow you have found yourself stuck.
What's wrong?
Right now, you're probably on a spreadsheet somewhere and you're clicking around and it's doing something like this, or you're trying to move up, down, left, and right. You are not actually clicking the shift key. You're just moving the arrows up and down, and this is what's happening. In all likelihood, you have enabled sticky keys. Not to worry, I'm going to show you how to turn them off. The easiest way to do this is by hitting the shift key 5 times in succession.
And like that, he's gone.
Click Start, type in sticky keys, click this System Settings for sticky keys. From there, you can actually turn this off permanently by using the toggles to unselect everything. Close the window and sticky keys are no more.